Hi guys. Just a little update on my PC case. As you can tell, this cable setup is a mess. This is a mess. I might plan on using cable ties for cable management so that I can optimize airflow for my new PC case. As you can see, I have just 4 fan screws left. That's because I was able to mount my second 120mm ARGB fan right to one of the spots for the power supply unit shroud. And the next one is expected to arrive tomorrow, so do not be alarmed. I was able to use 4 of my fan screws to screw in right here, 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 and here, which leaves me with just 4 fan screws. I just need to find the right motherboard for all those RGB fans. For this PC case, you have 3 motherboard options to choose from. You have ATX, Micro ATX, and then whatever they call it. I think they call it Mini ITX. And if I can find the right motherboard, I should be able to find the right graphics card. Oh, and you know what? Solid state drives are much quieter than hard disk drives. Oh, speaking of hard disk drives, this Dell Optiplex uses a hard disk drive, which is why you might hear mechanical noises coming from this PC. You know what? I think hard disk drives on this thing is optional as long as I can get the solid state drives. And you know what? I think that still counts as triggering the hard drive activity indicator. You know what? I think this is a hard drive activity indicator. You know what? I think the solid state drive is necessary for storage, loading windows, processing stuff like something like that. Solid state drives are much faster than hard disk drives anyways. Anyways, like I said, this is a mess right here. Oh, and I just learned how to daisy chain my ARGB fans. I'll get back to you once I find a pin with a cap on it. Okay, I was able to find this. This is the one I'm talking about. And this one is the 3-pin ARGB header. And if I can take this cap off, boom, you should be able to daisy chain your next ARGB fan like this. This is very good. This is very good practice for when you get a motherboard that doesn't have enough ARGB fan headers. But the only limit is the compatibility. That's what you need to be aware of. Anyways, that'll be it for this video.